Guys, welcome to another review from CarAndTech. So this time I'm unboxing the FIREBOLT BRILLIA Pro smartwatch. So this is how the package looks like. It's a huge package. I was wondering if they had sent me the watch itself, because nowadays they send a lot of different things when you open the package. I think here there's no seal, so let's open from this side. Yeah, okay. Here there's a seal. So this is it, guys. Oh, okay. This is a big packaging, basically, guys. As you can see. So this is a very strange packaging from FIREBOLT, and I've not seen because I've not seen any kind of big smartwatch packaging. It looks like a pencil box, guys. I hope the product will also be better or good. Now let's open the. Yeah, it is a sealed unit where you can see there are plastic wrapping is there. Even if I've seen a lot of other smartwatch packaging, this looks neat and decent. So this is like in a metallic black strap, guys. So once you open the package, you can see the watch itself at first. This is the magnetic 2-pin charging cable, as always, which FIREBOLT gives. And this is the strap, guys. Okay, now let's open the main unit. So this is how the watch looks like. And let's switch it on, guys, and see if it has some power. Yes. So this is basically how the display looks like, guys. Actually, the screen is pretty big. And the resolution is okay. I wouldn't say it's super high resolution, but it is. I hope it's a 60 Hz resolution. So guys, they have a charging warning also. Do not use fast charging adapter. And this watch supports both iOS and Android, guys. So that's also a good feature. So guys, the MRP written on the packaging is 18,999. That's almost 19,000 rupees. But actually, you get it for just 2,100 rupees for the one with the metal strap. So this is the one with the metal strap, guys. So this is how the quality of the strap is. One thing I found is that this is very lightweight, guys, this watch. I mean, the strap is also good. It doesn't feel, I mean the quality is there. I wouldn't say they have compromised on the quality. The metal strap build is very good. I think this will last for a long time. So you can see the sensors also behind. So this is how the sensors look, and the charging points out there. Now this has this rotating button where when you rotate you can change the wallpapers, and also one more button over here which when you press you can get the display on, or maybe you can get it off. So let's go to the screen clock, or the always on display that is on the watch. So we have, this is the analog always on display. So we have 3 analog displays here. So this is another one. So this is like the Apple Watch one. Now yeah, you can use the button as a back button also, guys. So that is also one use of this button. So this is like almost identical to the Apple Watch. Why I bought this watch is like mostly like when people see me tying this watch on my wrist or wearing the watch on my wrist, they think this is an Apple Watch, because this is an exact replica of the Apple Watch. So that is the reason, that is a USP why this watch has been selling in a lot, and you can see a lot of positive reviews in Amazon. You have to scroll it very carefully, otherwise you might activate some other setting which you are not actually looking for. Now I forgot to show you one more, so let's go back to the screensaver. So we have the this is the analog, and we have the digital. This can also be set as the always on display, guys. So there are 3 digital faces where you can set the clarity of the display, guys. I think it's a little bit low, but then it's more than accurate. That is also there. I think it's more than accurate for daily usage. And it also has a vibrate and ring mode. So I'll just do a close-up so you can see it clearly. So the vibrate and ring mode, actually, you can go to the mode, you can select vibrate. So the watch will also ring once you get a phone, once you get a call on your phone. Now let's go back. It has a DND mode, low power mode, and the phone, it can get connected to the phone also, like other smartwatches. And that is it mostly, guys. Yeah, and the display, as I've shown you, you can control the brightness. Now I've just kept it in very low brightness. This is the high brightness. So it has the brightness, if you like crank it really up, see the brightness goes really good. So that is mostly it, guys. So when you scroll from down, see, you can see the notifications, and also if you scroll, if you slide from the left, you can go to heart rate and other settings. And if you scroll from the right, you can go to the activity. You have to scroll from the left side of the watch so that it shows the it goes to the settings. Guys, one more feature of this watch is when you are in the settings, you can use this button, this rotating button, to go to the menus. So that is a cool feature which I found. And if you want to go back, you can use this button now rather than using the screen. So that's a very neat feature which I found. And when you talk about the battery life, guys, I think it has very good battery life when you compare to other smartwatches. And I would strongly say this watch would last easily a week without charging. So if you don't use the always on display, guys, I think the watch will last easily a week. But if you use the always on display, I don't think so it will last more than 3 days. So this is the app, It, and you can see I'm syncing the watch without any issues. You can see the connected symbol here and the balanced battery, that is 79%. So I charged it like 2 days before, and the battery is still strong. And you can actually go for different watch faces and select it. So this watch face is the current one which I've selected, and you can change it. And the notifications and shutter button, the camera shutter button, can also be used. It's an absolute value for money, guys, this watch. Let me be frank, guys, I didn't like the Redmi watch, the recently launched one. So I would say this is an absolute value for money watch, guys, especially if you buy the watch with the metal strap, because just 100 rupees more for the metal strap, and this will last easily for like more than 2 to 3 years. So let me just show you how it looks in the hand. So this is how it looks with the metal strap, guys, and this is how the always on display also looks like. So that's it for this review, guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos. Thanks a lot for watching.